Slama Amugon, or peace be with you. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran. And when you fast, be not sad like the hypocrites, for they distort their faces, that they may be seen of men to fast. Verily, I say to you, they have gotten their reward. Matthias Liha 6:16. The main aspect of our Sauma Ramba, or great fast, is the fact that we abstain from many things in order to stay close to the Allah. The mode of our Sauma or fast are the Teshmestas or services of the hours, penitence and almsgiving centered on the Teshmesta or service of the Raze Kandishi or holy mysteries, centered on the mystery of risen Ishu. The markings, signs, etc. upon us that show that we are fasting are hybrid methods that came through Portuguesization. We must continue to be fair and reasonable in the ways of prayer practiced by the early Slihaic or Apostolic Suriaya Eta O Church, as taught by Maran or our Lord Mashiach, that you may not be seen by men as a faster, but by your Ava who is in secret, and your Ava who sees in secret will recompense you. Matthias Liha 6:18. Warm welcome in Risen Isum Siha to be a member of Mars Livadera, to follow the monastic path of the early Slihaic or Apostolic Eta O Church, lovingly in Risen Isu, Mars Livadera Code 445. Slama Amukun.